We are at the gate to Saddam Hussein's palace. We're about to head in. There we go. Gate open. Yalla. This is insanity. This is Saddam Hussein's main palace in Babylon. It's got a little bit of extra artwork these days. Saddam Hussein's massive palace sits on a man-made hill overlooking the ancient city of Babylon, which in 1987 he had reconstructed as a sign of Iraqi nationalism. Millions were spent building his home, which upon further inspection reveals brutalist, hyper-realist reliefs which depict him leading soldiers onto the battlefield. Stepping inside, I found the ceilings are painted with symbols of Iraqi civilization, ranging from Babylonian lions to towers that Saddam built in Baghdad. Then I took a walk to the balcony, and outside I got a bird's eye view of Babylon below. This is the part where the tour doesn't go. So this is where Saddam used to sit, right? What are you doing to my beaker?
Good beaker.
Good beaker.
Beaker.
Assalamu alaikum, Habibis. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support. I loved everything about Iraq, from the people to the places to the most delicious food. This is one of many Iraq videos that I've made, which I hope will inspire many more Americans to visit your beautiful country. You can help by subscribing and sharing my videos with your friends. This will tell YouTube to promote Iraq even more. Shukran, and now on to Babylon.
Welcome from in Babylon.
Founded in 2300 BC, Babylon has seen it all. From its start as the most important city in Mesopotamia, to its peak as the capital under King Nebuchadnezzar, through its reconstruction by Saddam Hussein, to its post-invasion fall, when American and Polish troops set up camps and ISIS threatened its very existence. Babylon has seen empires come and go. The newer reconstructed areas to me seemed beautiful, but a little bit too fake. Saddam even put his names on the bricks.
It's a stamp says this place have been maintained and built in Saddam Hussein time. And they say the year here also, 1989.
The ruins have so much more to uncover, with approximately 80% of the artifacts still remaining underground. My favorite part was checking out the original walls with mythical Mushhushshu dragons, symbol of the God Marduke. What do you get when you combine the head of a snake, the claws of an eagle, the legs of a lion, and the scorpion stinger tail? A Mushhushshu dragon, of course. You can also find cuneiform from none other than Nebuchadnezzar himself. And last but not least, the iconic Lion of Babylon, which was meant to scare enemies by showing a lion trampling a man. It looks like the lion's getting jiggy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Bye, Babylon.
Goodbye, Babylon.
A great memory and experience.
You made it! Thanks so much for watching. I had an incredible time in Iraq, and there are several more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, check out my latest video from my incredible experience camping with nomadic cattle herders in South Sudan, right below. And remember, my channel has the best videos for every country in the world, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when new videos come out. Until next time, cheers.